Hello, good afternoon and welcome to a new video. And where are we today, Carol?
Wellsbourne Airfield.
And we're here because we're going just down the road to a cafe.
Called the Touchdown Cafe.
Yeah, riding by here we saw something parked up of interest.
Go and have a look at.
Which is over there. And it be a Vulcan bomber. And this is the Cafe Vulcan XM655. The little plane looks tiny, doesn't it? Compared to it, yeah. How long ago was it when we saw one flying, Carol?
Oh, crikey. It was like the farewell tour, wasn't it? And it flew down by East Midlands and we went to watch it fly past, didn't we?
Make a marvellous howl, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
It's great that you can get so close, isn't it?
Hey.
What are you all doing?
Fabulous,
We're good.
thank you.
Have you been seen to?
This engine here then, is that out of this plane?
Yes.
So that would have to be
was in the
put
number
in.
one position. We've taken it out because there's some very minor damage on it from stone ingestion on September.
Right.
And we had the mechanical failure and we went over the runway a bit.
Right. So it
was
does
on BBC
taxi
News.
down the
Oh, is that?
runway and
I
everything.
think I saw that.
Seen that on BBC News.
It went further than it should.
I know they're getting a free demonstration of fuel
Yeah.
running into a bucket.
It uses a bit more than that when it gets going.
How much does it take to fill this thing up then?
Fill it up.
Fill it up?
We've never done that.
You've never done that?
All 14 tanks. We can't afford that.
14 tanks?
I take it they filled them all up when they went over and bombed down in the Falklands.
Yeah.
Oh yes, multiple times
Yeah.
into the room.
Yeah.
We had 11 tankers doing
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And giving tours.
So does it come with a manual?
A big one.
Then a big one.
As many manuals that still exist.
Yeah,
As many manuals.
Now I think, without wishing to be sexist, that was put together by a woman. And the reason I think that is that I don't think blokes have got patience to do that sort
It's
of
too
work.
fiddly.
Too fiddly.
Yeah.
So I think that was probably the case. And bearing in mind this would have been constructed in the 60s, it's even more
That's
like
amazing, isn't it? Really. Yeah.
Like what I say
It's like
to
a work of
our,
art, really, isn't it?
it is a work of art. I mean, it is a mirror image, as you can
I mean, I
probably
bet
tell.
that would be much tinier if it was built
God,
today.
If that's
Yeah.
what they
Microchip
It's a
now,
chip.
wouldn't it? It'd be a microchip
Yeah.
now,
It's a
wouldn't
chip
it?
on
Yeah.
the board.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a distinct smell of aviation fuel around
Yeah,
here.
I'm not surprised they've just spilt it all out into that bucket down there.
You can climb up that ladder.
Can I just have a quick peek in with my camera? I won't climb in, but obviously.
Not real, by the way.
I would hope not. Wow, absolutely amazing. I take it when there was a nuclear weapon on board, there was just one in there.
That's just the one.
Yeah.
I think there was a cutout or something somewhere to
Yeah.
fit in.
Okay.
I said to you it looked like
jet engine,
a
yeah.
small jet engine.
This is the exhaust, and we've stuck it out here so that it doesn't burn the wing. So
Right.
it's a mini jet engine, and all this is for is providing power.
All right.
Air
Air.
in terms of power.
Yeah.
So that's a big air tube. Which
Yeah.
has been connected
It's like
up.
a massive compressor.
Yes, big compressor. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's all a jet engine is. a big
Seems an
compressor.
expensive way of making a compressor.
Yeah,
But I
that's
suppose
right,
you
yeah.
need a lot of air, I guess.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
You need lots of it, and so it goes up into the aircraft. It's fitted up here. Look.
I see.
So
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's up and in, yeah. And then when the pilot wants to start an engine, he then obviously we've got this running,
Yeah.
and then they select the air.
So they use compressed air to start the engines.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Ah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
And that goes through that valve that you were looking at,
Yeah.
that now they've got in place, I think.
Yeah. All right.
Right.
So that goes through that valve.
Yeah.
Only on this engine it didn't. And then that is the motor, starter motor.
All right. Okay.
So.
So if
So the air compression whizzes that
effectively
round to
that
get
thing
going.
that's sat there is a starter motor.
Yeah.
That runs
Ah.
on air, compressed
So
air.
the air would go through that valve when it's selected.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that is normally bolted onto that.
Okay. Yeah.
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 And then the air
And that
pushes through
starts
there,
it up.
and then away she goes.
I see.
That turns the whole engine.
Yeah.
Ah,
So
until it's up to speed,
Well, yeah, that's right. You
Yeah.
add a bit of fuel.
and then
Give it a few
it's
sparks.
under its own power then.
Exactly
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
How long
So
has this
indeed.
been here? How long has it
Came
been
here
sat
about
here?
84, I think.
84.
Really?
Or something like that.
For faith and freedom.
Oh, here we are.
Wow.
Again, everything is as original as we maintain it to be. Not all of the instrumentation will work.
Have these guys got any form of ejection to get out?
Yes, so the two pilots have got ejection seats. They're Martin Baker.
Martin Baker, yeah.
Ejection seats, however, they are bang seats, so they're explosive propellant chargers, not rocket thruster.
So was this the pilot's seat, this side?
P1 pilot is left,
Yeah.
P2 co-pilot is right. The rear 3 or 5, if you include the jump seats, only had parachutes on, and their only way in and out of the aircraft is that hatch just there.
Okay.
Facing rearwards, got the AEO, Airborne Electronics Officer, facing rearwards. They're electrically in charge of the aircraft.
Yeah.
Middle is a nav plotter, so they're part of the navigational crew, and originally were also the bomb aimer. And then in that seat there, you got the nav radar. Again, 2 positions for the navigational suite of equipment at the back there.
Okay.
But also in charge of radar equipment.
Really, these guys aren't going to get any sort of a view of anything really much.
Nope, and all of these blackout curtains would all be closed in flight to keep this an external light restricted area as possible. So you don't want glancing light from the sun or from nuclear flashes causing any dazzlement on the instruments to cause you pause when going through your checklist.
I see something up there that looks like a gun. What?
Yes, so that's the flare gun, signal flare gun.
Okay.
And the signal cartridge storage is just above here.
All right, yeah.
Now basically that's designed for in-flight air-to-air refueling, because in certain situations you may not be able to use radio communication between a tanker and a bomber because of the fact that you're in neutral territory or maybe territory you shouldn't be refueling in.
I see.
So you use low intensity flares, and different colours variations will mean different things to communicate to the people who are eagle-eyed in the tanker something you wish to tell them.
All right, okay.
Like for example, we are full, or we'd like to refuel quickly, or disengage. What you can assume, all of that stuff we don't have any knowledge for at the moment. It could still be classified or whatever the case is, but I hope that answers your question.
No,
Again,
brilliant.
it just fires it out of the aircraft. Interesting, you can buy the tickets online on the website.
Okay. Even a big guy like me fits in there. Thanks very much for your time. Appreciate that.
Thanks very much. Have you put somebody in that
I have.
box?
I've given him a tenner. Well, that was so nice, wasn't it?
Brilliant.
The guys are so giving of the time, aren't they? And they just want to tell you everything about that.
Yeah. Definitely.
Fascinating. Really recommend.
Saturday, any Saturday.
Really recommend coming up on a Saturday, having a look around this Vulcan bomber.
Yeah, really good.
Right. Well, we're going to go up to the Touchdown Cafe and go and get something to eat. So, welcome to come along with us. That is a Mini Marcos.
That's what it says on the front.
So is that made out of a Mini? Is it a Mini kit car? I think it's a kit car made around a Mini. We'll have to Google Mini Marcos. Oh, beautiful day now as well, Carol.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh, my feet are slipping with mud. Learn to fly here as well if we wanted to.
Some gift vouchers available.
I'd probably have to pay twice as much, wouldn't I?
Need a bigger plane.
A bigger plane, yeah.
It's here. Yeah, this is it. All bikers.
Right, shall we go and see what they've got in there?
Yeah. Actually, seating inside.
Yeah. And burger with cheese.
Ham, egg and chips, please.
Great spot though. Planes coming by.
You're definitely going to be nicking some chips off there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Oh, what? The helicopter's coming down.
Going, yeah, it's coming.
Interesting place to have lunch anyway, Carol.
Do you want some chips on there?
I'll have a couple. So Carol's gone for ham, egg and chips. And I've gone for the burger.
I'm going into the one with the racing flag on it.
Yeah.
It's a destination for the Missenden flyer.
This is a destination for the Missenden. I could see him in his missus pulled up over there. Now it's your ham, egg and chips, Carol.
Nice, actually. It's a good choice.
And the ham, egg and chips looks a bit better than my burger. Burger's a bit, out of the freezer. It's an average burger, I think. There's a big bird of prey up there. That's never something you want to see on an airfield, is it? You don't walk one of those through the cockpit as you're taking off.
No, you don't.
Fabulous looking aeroplane, that is.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
We've gone double bubble. We've gone cake as well. Well, folks, that's the touchdown cafe. What do you think?
Lovely. I love this place. I just love watching the planes.
Yeah, it's a fabulous place, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, the food, I wouldn't say the food's anything special.
No, the food's nothing special, but it's just such a nice spot to sit.
Yeah, it is. We're going to attempt to find the Fosse Way now and thread our way back towards home.
Nice countryside around here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You're not many minutes before you're out in beautiful, open countryside. It's lovely. These are the roads we're looking for, aren't they?
Definitely,
the fun roads. The B roads, really.
Yeah. Stop for this guy.
We could go back and see if he's all right.
Can do if you want. Do you want any help?
Yeah, no, I thought there's something loose backing around on it, didn't know what it was. I just got it going after the winter. When I bought that last August, it shakes like hell.
Has it got straight through pipes on it, like?
Yeah, it's got like
Yeah, it's obligatory, isn't it, with an Harley?
sounds nice. Acceleration.
I bet it does. Well, we'll leave you in peace then, and
As long as you're all right, that's fine.
we'll turn ourselves round and head back. Good to see you.
All right, nice
Cheers.
to meet you.
He's away.
It's all right then.
Worth checking, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you not think it's a bit ironic though? There's a man stopped at the side of the road because he thought he heard a rattle on a Harley. We're on the 4455 Fosse Way.
That's what we want.
Oh, well done, Carol. If any of you are watching this from foreign lands, the Fosse Way is a very famous, well, it's a reasonably famous road because it was originally built by the Romans when they conquered England, as it was then. And they built this fantastically straight road, and
Connected right the way down to Bristol, didn't it?
I'm not sure. I don't know I don't know my Roman history that well.
I think it certainly went down to Bath and then all the way up. Is it to York to Bath or something like that?
Yeah. Hope folks don't think our channel's turning into the food channel, you know. Cake and wet mill on the last one.
Yeah, well, we do.
With an actual eating shot. Crumbly Mal, he says, oh, it's great that someone's took us into the shop and shown us the cakes on display.
Well, there you go. You see, that's the important.
One person
shot,
appreciates the cake shots.
Effort.
So thank you for that, Crumbly Mal. We might have a chance here.
Going down there, are you?
It's HS2, isn't it?
HS2? Wow.
Wow, yeah.
Okay.
High speed rail 2. And again, if you're not in this country, high speed rail 2 is this massively expensive government plan to link London with the north with a dedicated high speed line. And
they've decided it's too expensive to link it with the north, so they've stopped the top bit.
this high-speed line is running right up past where we live in Ashby-de-la-Zouch, and then terminating there, isn't it? Well, just
slightly further past that.
It's going, it's going.
It's to Toton, wherever Toton is.
But we've got a massive mess to put up with for God knows how many years now. While they plough that through along the side of the M42. Believe you me, it's gonna be a mess for years.
Since COVID, everyone's working from home. Do they really need it anyway?
I don't know. I just think, is it a massive waste of money? You tell us in the comments section below. You stay there, mate, as well. It's Fosse Way's left.
Left up there?
Yeah.
Bugger.
Oh, she's gone wrong, guys. She's gone wrong.
I'm gonna have to go. Hello. Thank you.
Well, I have to stop again today for more fuel.
More fuel.
Yeah.
We're up to 63 miles.
I'm on 63 miles at the moment. Oh, bloody twat.
Jesus Christ!
He came right close to me there.
God, about give me a heart attack, he did. I mean, how could he have told there was nothing in that dip, the other side of that
He's just
bump there?
They're what I call organ donors. I've got a lot of time for most bikers, but twats like that, basically, they deserve all they get.
I see, I knew exactly where we were going.
We are actually on the Fosse Way.
We are actually going on the right road.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Yeah.
About that.
We don't really know what we're doing, do we? I don't. But there again, I just mostly follow Carol, so just shut up, shouldn't I? You don't want to hear us waffling all the way back home, so
No.
I think we'll sign off for today.
Yeah.
It's been a good day, hasn't it, Carol?
Yeah, I love the Vulcan Bomber. Touchdown Cafe was great. It's been a lovely ride. Beautiful day for a ride.
Yeah, certainly has. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.